Effective from 1st of July 2024, 3 new criminal laws are going to be enforced in the country, that is the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, the Bharatiya Suraksha Sanhita and the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam. Here are some changes you should know that reflect a positive legislative intent as a part of these reformed acts. Courts are now required to pass a judgment within 45 days of completion of the trial, and the charges must be framed within 60 days of the first hearing. Any person can file a zero FIR at any police station regardless of jurisdiction. Detention limit in policy custody has been increased from 15 days for up to 90 days. Community service has been introduced as an alternative form of punishment against petty crimes like small theft, defamation, and attempt to suicide. The reforms have introduced the clause of trials in absentia, wherein the accused can be tried and convicted in the court in his absence as if he is present. This will address the delay in trial due to absconding and reduce the pendency of cases. Honorable Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud-ji have called these reforms as a watershed moment for the Indian society.